Hi everyone, welcome back to BitFix. In today's video, we're diving into an amazing internship opportunity at the Max Planck Institutes of Computer Science in Germany. If you're studying computer science or a related field and looking for a fully funded internship abroad, stay tuned, this might be perfect for you. One question a lot of people have is about language requirements. The good news is you don't need to know German to apply. The working language at all Max Planck Institutes is English, so you'll be able to communicate comfortably without any language barriers. The Max Planck Institutes offer fully funded internships specifically for students in computer science. This means they'll cover all your living expenses, provide housing, and even cover round-trip travel costs. Typically, these internships last for 12 to 14 weeks, but longer stays are also possible if needed. It's a great way to get international research experience without worrying about the financials. So, who can apply for this incredible opportunity? Well, these internships are open to exceptional students at the bachelor's and even Ph.D. levels from anywhere in the world. To be eligible, you should have a basic background in computer science, which means you should have completed around 3 years of a typical computer science bachelor's program by the time you start the internship. They also welcome applications from industry professionals with similar knowledge who have an interest in academic research. And if you're working on a bachelor's or master's thesis, you can even use your internship project as your thesis depending on your university's rules. This internship is a fantastic opportunity, especially if you're considering a career in research or a PhD in the future. The projects are tailored to your academic background, so you'll be working on something that suits your level and interests. It's also a great chance to build connections with top researchers and experts in your field. Max Planck Institutes are committed to diversity and inclusivity. They welcome applicants from various academic backgrounds, not just traditional computer science. If your interests intersect with fields like social science, economics, law, or the humanities, you're encouraged to apply. They're also particularly supportive of applicants from underrepresented groups in CS or other STEM fields. Here's a quick heads up on the deadlines. If you're looking to start an internship in the summer, that's between May and August, the deadline is November 1st of the previous year. So make sure you get your application in by then. For internships at other times of the year, apply at least 5 months before you'd like to start. Now let's go over the application process. It's all done online, which is super convenient. Here's what you need to prepare: your CV, your transcripts, contact information for at least one reference, and an optional motivation letter. You can also mention if there's a specific professor or researcher at Max Planck you'd like to work with. Just remember, they don't request reference letters immediately, so don't worry if your referee hasn't received a request right away. So if you're a computer science student with a strong academic record and you're interested in research, this could be the perfect opportunity to gain international experience and take your career to the next level. The deadline for summer internships is coming up fast, so make sure to prepare your application soon. For the application link and more details, check out the description below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to BitFix for more tech opportunities, and share this with friends who might benefit. Good luck and see you in the next video.